Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. Counsel vehemently argued that the real cause of dispute between deceased and accused was division of property of Dalbir Singh and not the dowry demand as alleged by the complainant, and the complainant even went to the extent of implicating ACP Rajendra Singh, who was not even related to the accused, just because he refused to pressurize the accused for sale of property of accused Dalbir and division of sale proceeds. Stop para. It is further argued by learned defense counsel that none of the phone numbers allegedly used by complainant, his wife or deceased during the relevant time were found to be registered in their names. Stop. As per the deposition of witnesses from service providers, the alleged mobile phones were subscribed in some other names, and there is no evidence on record that complainant or his family members or the deceased were using said mobile phones at the time of alleged incident. Stop. It is further argued that, assuming for the sake of arguments that phone calls were exchanged between deceased and her parents from said mobile phones at the relevant time, but that itself would not prove that during said phone calls deceased had complained her parents about any demand of dowry or about her harassment at the hands of accused in furtherance of said alleged demands. Stop para. Counsel further argued that suicide is a normal phenomena of human nature and suicides are committed by living human beings for various reasons, and all suicides are unnatural deaths, but simply because a woman commits suicide in her matrimonial house within 7 years of her marriage, that will not make the case as a case of dowry death. Stop. But it is usually seen that the parents who had lost their daughter are not prepared to believe that their daughter could commit suicide for any other reasons. Stop para. It is further argued that even in this case the complainant was revengeful, as her daughter, who was persistently demanding partition of the property of her father-in-law, that is accused Dalbir Singh, committed suicide, as despite visit of her father with so many relatives and friends on 29/7/2012, the accused persons did not accede to her demand for partition of property, and out of frustration she committed suicide. Stop. It is further argued that prosecution has failed to prove the essential ingredients of harassment in furtherance of demand of dowry soon before death. Stop para. In this regard, initially a rough sketch of the village Abadi, in which streets and deras have been shown, was prepared, and after taking into account the total population of the Gram Sabha, it was divided into equal number of wards as required under section 10 within bracket 1C of the Act. Stop. It is categorically pleaded that since practically the houses situated in the village Abadi are not recognized by any house number and are recognized by the name of the person, borders of such wards were named in the name of persons. Stop. After the aforesaid exercise was done, the village-wise details in the prescribed proforma prepared by the field level functionary was submitted to the Office of Block Development and Panchayat Officer, who consolidated the total list, which was submitted to the Office of the Deputy Commissioner, where it was further consolidated, and such list was not only published in the official gazette in the month of December 2012 but was also displayed on the notice boards in the office of Block Development and Panchayat Officer, District Development and Panchayat Officer and in the concerned Gram Panchayat, inviting objections in terms of the provisions of Act. Stop. Over.